This fabulous modern apartment is located on the north coast of the Dominican Republic and on one of the best beaches for surfing. It has a view of the sea from its long and spacious balcony. The design is open concept and it comes with finished kitchens and bathrooms, air conditioning, and closets. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. The balcony connects with the living room area, high ceilings, panoramic windows, and sliding doors, providing a lot of light to the apartment. The complex has elevators, security, jacuzzi, a swimming pool, and more. Call today for more information. For more information on this listing, please contact Amber Coast Realty, your real estate professionals in the Dominican Republic.